Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix can't install Diablo 4 on PC Game Pass. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now first of all, you need to have a battle.net client, so you want to download it here, battle.net. And you're gonna open it up and basically download it. So here it is, download that battle.net, and you're gonna download it for Windows and log into your account after that. Once you will log in, you will be redirected to this page, and after that you want to go to your account settings. So here you're gonna click account settings, and on account settings you're gonna see all of these options. You want to click on connections, and on connections you will see Xbox Network, and this is your Game Pass, so you want to click connect. You will see something like so. So you're gonna click connect and follow all the steps and connect your Xbox Game Pass. Now after your Xbox Game Pass was connected, you're gonna go to battle.net, find Diablo, and you're gonna install it. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.